The cooktop is one of the most important kitchen appliances, so you'll want to make sure you find the best one for you. Here's what you need to consider: type, size, energy efficiency, and price. First, the type. You'll need to choose between gas, electric, or induction. Gas cooktops give you more control over the temperature and can cook fast. Induction cooktops use magnetic field-based heating, so there's no heat without a pan. Electric cooktops are easy to clean and easy on the budget. They can also be easier to control, especially when cooking at lower temperatures. Next, size. Consider how much space you have and how many people you cook for. Most kitchens have a 4-burner cooktop. If you have a big family or do a lot of cooking, you might like to upgrade to 5 or 6 burners. Energy efficiency is also important. Induction cooktops are more energy efficient because they cook quicker and don't produce heat when there's no pan on the element. Gas cooktops are also a good option for energy efficiency because of the instant flame and precise control. Finally, price. Basic gas and electric models are the most budget-friendly. You'll pay a bit more for induction. The size, model, and features will impact the price. The Good Guys are here to help. Visit us in-store or online.